Friday afternoon, May 30th. Thanks, Dr. Cheap. Yeah, Shabbat's coming. But got a ways to go. Look, it's still bright and sunny out at 5:10 in the afternoon. Can you believe it? Well, yeah. It's so different than November when it gets dark at like 4:15. Blech. My least favorite month. Okay, this is taking a lot more work here. I found an old wooden chair in the garbage, brought it home, and took some hours to break it apart, cut it apart, unscrew it and all that, and then saw pieces down to, I want to tight fit with the plexiglass against the drawing and the mat. So I'm going to glue these and drill in the screws. Okay, on that note, and then I'm going to be adding some more, this is going to be on the left vertical frame, so when it's on exhibit, people are going to see themselves in there. Not the first artwork I've done with that, with a mirror. Self-reflection, for contemplation, etc. Okay, nice chirping tree, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, gorgeous wings, wow, wow, wow. How are we doing, Prime Minister? Clean that tuchus, yes. Clean those feathers. Good work, Your Illustrious Sire. Showing the sandpaper perch I put in. It's supposed to be for your toenails, darling. That's okay, you can shoot as you like. It's your home. All right, time to watch the news shortly. How are we doing? Everybody eat good today in the neighborhood? Seed, greens. We got bought fresh broccoli this afternoon, so you can have broccoli tomorrow along with wheatgrass. Okay, have some millet spray, darling. Good, good. All right, there you have it. Look how bright and sunny it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.